everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the boot logo on my Junsun stereo. So I'm talking about this boot logo that says car navigation. So instead of this one, we're gonna have the Vauxhall logo. To do that, you go to the menu, then go to setup, select boot logo. If your car is part of Vauxhall cars, you type in 9981. For any other car, it's 3506. Then you select the logo that you want. Press update. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and see you on the next one.